So the last feature we learned about, writing ability level, is so useful that we're going to do one more segment on it. Because as a teacher, you can really get a lot out of this feature.
As you know now, you can set different writing ability levels for different students in your classroom. This feature enables you to match Toolbox to the particular writing needs of individual students. The student who is struggling is helped, and the more advanced student is pushed forward.
The cool thing is, you can also set your own writing ability level as a teacher.
By default, Toolbox always sets teacher writing ability levels to the highest possible category. That way, if you ever put your own writing through the site, you'll get the sort of feedback and advice that you'd expect as an adult writer.
I know because I put my own uni essay through and I nailed it.
But as a teacher, often you want to use Toolbox to demonstrate writing to your class. Show them how to write particular sentences or paragraphs. Or maybe set up a task and then have your students work with you live on screen as you do a particular activity together.
Jade's right. And at the point where you want feedback, or you want to see examples of particular writing, you don't want adult ones. You want student ones.
So we've designed Toolbox so that even as a teacher, you can manually alter at any point your own writing ability level.
So if you want Toolbox to respond to you like a Year 9 student, it can. And you can demonstrate in front of your class, confident that you will all get the same sort of responses.